Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change RAM to 3200. First, restart your computer and press the designated key, often Delete or F2, to enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Once inside, navigate to the memory or overclocking section. Look for an option like XMP, which stands for Extreme Memory Profile, or DOCP for Direct Overclock Profile. Enabling this will allow your RAM to run at its advertised speed, like 3200 MHz, by loading a pre-configured profile. This is the crucial first step. After enabling the XMP or DOCP profile, save your changes and exit the BIOS. Your computer will then restart. Once back in Windows, you'll want to verify that the changes took effect. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Go to the Performance tab and select Memory. Here, you should see your RAM speed listed, ideally at 3200 MHz. If it's lower, you might need to re-enter the BIOS and double-check your selections. Sometimes, things don't go as smoothly as planned. If your RAM isn't running at 3200 MHz, first confirm your motherboard supports that speed. Older motherboards might have limitations. Next, consider updating your motherboard's BIOS to the latest version, as this can improve compatibility and stability. Also, try physically reseating your RAM sticks. Sometimes a loose connection can prevent proper detection. These steps often resolve common issues when adjusting memory speeds. Running your RAM at 3200 MHz significantly boosts overall system performance. You'll notice snappier application launches, smoother multitasking, and a more fluid gaming experience, especially in titles that are memory-intensive. This upgrade truly unlocks your system's potential. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're incredibly durable and come with a lifetime warranty, so you can keep your feet happy while your PC runs fast. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.